Hey guys, so I have done something that I've been wanting to do for such a long time, and that is dye some bundles pink actually. And so it's just kind of fortuitous that this happened like that. I was motivated by doing this hair color because I received the Dazzle Voxbox from Influenster that contained 3 products. This Gold Bond Radiance Renewal cream, which is awesome, smells really good, fortified with coconut oil and cocoa butter, and I really enjoy using this. It's already open like a third of the way done. One I Thrive Clairol Keratin Split and Repair, and this is almost completely finished, guys, because I recently dyed my hair, or bleached my hair actually, and so this is awesome for bleached hair. It fortifies the bonds and keeps it moisturized, which I was really struggling with moisture for my bleached hair, so thank you, Influenster. And last but not least, and the star of the show, this jazzing hair color in Fuschia Plum. And it's funny that I got Fuschia Plum because I really did want to make a pink wig. Me and my sister really wanted to make a pink wig. I did not get to choose the color. I see that other people actually got like a deep red jazzing in their Dazzle Voxbox, but I got the Fuschia Plum, and that is the star of the show. Along with this one bottle of Fuschia Plum, which was not going to dye this entire wig, I bought about 4 additional bottles from Sally's, and we got to work. So I'm going to show you guys how we achieved this color. Yeah, I was really happy with the way that this wig turned out. I bought actually 2 bundles and 1 frontal from Aliexpress, and it was just completely bleach blonde from the jump. I didn't want to deal with having to bleach dark hair and then try to achieve a color like this. So I would recommend, if you're trying to achieve a color like this in a unicorn kind of fashion color, get the hair blonde straight off the bat. Don't even bother yourself with bleaching it, because honestly it's not even worth the damage. So that is my recommendation, because you would have to damage the hair and break the bonds and then put this on, and then you'll get the shedding and stuff. Just buy the hair blonde. And so you'll see that. I'll leave the link to the hair that I purchased also down below. Yeah, and what you won't see is that another thing that I did was, or that we did, was I put Adore Dark Chocolate, and so you probably won't be able to see it, but this is the Adore brand that you'll find at any beauty supply store in the color Dark Chocolate 109, and I put that in the roots, and so that is the root color of this wig, and it really came together. So without further ado, here's how we achieved this color. To avoid staining the lace, you'll want to use got-to-be gel and hairspray to protect the actual lace. And so you'll see that we're applying it to the knots. You can use either or, but in this case, we decided to use both because the spray helps it to dry much faster. Here you'll see that we're measuring out the conditioner and the dye to make sure that our 2 mixing bowls have the exact same ratio and look exactly the same. And of course, don't forget to dye your frontal after all of the gel dries. So here are the bundles from the frontal, all washed and ready to go. I quickly add a little bit of the I Thrive keratin and let it air dry. Okay guys, so there it is. This is how we achieved this hair. My sister actually put the wig together, and so she constructed the wig. I went back in and put the roots and kind of re-lightened the frontal, because you'll see in the clips that the frontal was a little bit lighter, and so it did take us some time to really embrace the deep pink of this fuchsia plum, but it was really pretty. And I really liked the way that it actually mixed with the chocolate, because it did like a purple tone. And yeah, also this hair company, my cons: the frontal was actually supposed to be a 12-inch frontal on measure. Actually, just looking at it offhand, it looks short. I'm like, I don't think this is what I ordered. I thought I ordered a 12-inch. Measured it, 10 inches. Looked at the reviews. Lots of people say that their frontal came shorter than ordered. And so that is one con about this, but I didn't really mind it completely, because I always had the intention of cutting this into like a longer bob, which it is in now, and I'm the one who actually ended up cutting it, and so that was perfect. The bundles were 14 inches, so I cut about maybe 2.5, 3 inches or so off of the bundles. And my stylist, which is also my sister, she styled it and curled it and just made it look so good, and everything came together. Made this wig laid, honey, laid. So I am so happy with how this turned out. I'm so grateful for Influenster for choosing me to send this box complimentary to. I am really impressed with jazzing and the color payoff, hence why I bought 4 additional bottles, which I still have lots left. We mixed it with the Tresemme conditioner, and it lasts and goes a lot goes a long way. And then the Gold Bond cream, I told you guys how much I enjoyed that. And then the I Thrive, seriously, I'm still looking for where to get it at an affordable price, because I saw it on Amazon for about like $12 to $14. That's a little pricey, but if I could find them for like $8, that would be awesome, because honestly I don't think my dry bleached hair can live without this product. So I'm gonna need to find where I can get this for an affordable amount of money. Thank you Influencer, because it came at the right time, at the time when my hair needed some keratin and moisture. So that's about it, guys. Let me know what you think. Did any of you receive the Dazzle Voxbox? What color did you get? What did you try? Did you like the products? Let me know down below, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.